Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to a new episode. Today we finally get to put coilovers into my S14. I currently have the diff ripped out. I didn't do a video of me ripping the diff out because I've already did a diff install video of the Nismo 2-way on my R33, so if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I've put a Nismo 2-way in there. This one, I've taken the diff out because I'm gonna go get it welded. I'm not gonna get a 2-way because I'm not gonna chuck 1,300 bucks just for a track car. So I'm gonna chuck 50 bucks to get this diff welded and it should be good to go. Also, I'd like to show you that I've got a thicker white line sway bar, the rear sway bar, plus these coilovers, and at the front I'm gonna have a front strut brace. These aren't height adjustable from here, but you can lower them from here. So I'm not sure how low these are gonna go in the S14, but I'm not looking to go slant. I'm just looking for a bit of stiffness. Sounds pretty gay, because when you're drifting you don't want the car like balancing left and right like this, like feeling like a boat on the water. So these coilovers plus the rear sway bar and the strut brace at the front, we're golden. So this diff right here originally belonged in an R34 Skyline, but now it's my S14. We're getting it welded, and I'm not going to do like an install video or anything because I found out that once I put my diff back in, I'm not going to be able to do a burnout or anything because I still need to get the car tuned. But once I get the car tuned, we'll do some cheeky shit with this lock diff. So we're gonna go take off this wheel, and then we're gonna take out this shitty stock suspension, and I'll put you guys on a time lapse when I install the coilover. This is why you should best check your nuts. I haven't touched this yet. Watch how loose this is. Jesus Christ. So as you guys can probably tell, I'm not really gonna film much in here, like taking the top two nuts off, the studs. So you've got one there, and you got one where this tool is sitting on. I just can't put the camera down anywhere, so I'm just gonna skip this part of showing you guys how to undo this, and then we'll go install the coilovers soon. All right, time to take out this shitty stock suspension. Smack it out. Shell drop and then shoot dust in my eyeball. Fantastic. Oh god damn it. All right, that's out. So we're gonna come out the car, come around, grab this stupid part out. There we go. Scratch my paint, no worries, who cares, just a drift car. Gonna cop many of those eventually. Well, that's one way of taking it out. Look at this shit. Why do you even bother making stock suspension? Every car should come with coilovers. I actually have a feeling that this might actually sit low, so I'll show you what I mean. So this looks like it's like a long fucker, but I'll show you something in a second. See how it compresses? We'll compare it to the stock one. Push this down. Again like this. Jesus. That's how much it will drop by. So I really don't know if I should readjust it from here to go a bit higher. I'm just going to put this in the car and then we'll drop it and we'll see how low it actually sits with this setting. Because the coilover is shorter than the stock suspension, what you want to do is grab a jack and jack it from the disc brake. Do it from here. And then what you do is you go inside the car and you put the nuts on, and then you drop this and you're good to go. Make sure when you do the nuts at the top, you tighten them, and then you tighten the ones down here, because you're going to have a bad time if your coilover pops out. So make sure to tighten your nuts and your bolts. This is how it currently sits. It's sitting high because what I showed you with the red second spring, I don't know if you guys can see that, it's got to compress when the car goes on the ground, and I've just realized because I have the diff taken out, I'm not going to be able to put the car on the floor, therefore I can't do the front coilovers because I'm taking the diff tonight to go get welded. Hopefully tomorrow or the next day I get it back or something, put the diff back in, we'll drop the car on the floor, and then I'll do the coilovers at the front. This is a bummer right now. So this video is only going to be about the back coilovers, and we're not even going to have the car on the ground. Oh well, extra content. now that I've taken the bolt out from the bottom, I'm gonna go to the top, take the nuts off again, so I'm not gonna bother filming that. We'll take out this stock suspension as well, and then we'll go put on the new coilover. So I forgot to film this part. So these are actually real Nismo S14 coilovers. I didn't know they made coilovers, and I'm pretty stoked because it's like, you know, it's a Nismo product, so I'm pretty happy of owning a Nismo product. And the front coilovers come with camber tops, so that's sick. So we see how much negative camber I can run at the front with this setup. Should be pretty sick. And there you go, it says Nismo on the spring, Japanese writing, the dampering. So it's pretty sick. Like, I didn't even know these existed, so it's pretty cool to know. I was gonna either get BC coilovers or just something cheap, but then when I saw these pop up, I was like, might as well. And especially this being a track car, it doesn't really matter about running expensive coilovers. This car is just to hit limiter and just have fun going sideways, so I'm not really fussed about owning expensive coilovers. So yeah, Nismo. Another shitty stock suspension out. And that's how you get it aligned. So you use the jack, align the holes, grab the nut at the tops, put them in, and there you go. So we've installed 2 of the rear coilovers. I wish I could do the front, but as I said, I don't have a diff in the car to bring the car down, and I can't really measure how much gap I've got between the tire and the panel, which sucks as well. So I'm gonna have to wait till the diff is done, and then we'll finally drop the car and put coilovers at the front. And what I'm going to do is, if you guys want to know what's going on with my R33, I'm going to show you guys my 6-boost manifold, some new parts, and then talk about what's going on with the fully forged build, because I still don't have the block back. Alright, so with these wheels, I have found out that this spacer does not go in there, so it can't fit the stocky. So I'm going to have to take the spacer off at the track. So after I burn these tires, I'm going to take off the spacer and then put the stockies on this. I had a feeling that this spacer was there for a reason. I just knew that something like this was going to happen. And look at these tires, they're old school semi-slicks. I'm gonna see how long they last on a track. It'll be pretty funny. I hope this video was helpful for the ones that don't know how to install coilovers. So this is how you install coilovers. So hopefully this video helps you guys out. It's not a hard job, it's very basic. It's just 1 bolt and 2 nuts at the top, and basically just slide out and slide in the new coilovers, and there you go. The only downside about coilovers is when you drop the car down, you don't know how low or how high you're gonna go. You need to use a measuring tape. But because I've never used these coilovers before without the adjustments at the bottom to measure the height, I'm going to drop this car down when I put the diff back in. We'll see how low it sits, and if I need to raise the car up more, all I have to do is just turn the coil, and there we go. And also, as I was just working on my car, the delivery man came and dropped something off, and I can't wait to show you guys this in a new video, but I'll give you guys a bit of a tease what it is. That's right, my bucket seat arrived. I'm gonna reveal what it is when I do the install video, so I've got the cover on right now. Can't wait to show you guys the new bucket seat, and I'll install it in the video and show you guys what it is then. So what I'm going for with this 6-boost manifold, we're gonna run a 50mm external gate, we're gonna have a screamer pipe, then we're gonna have like a custom dump pipe to a high flow cat to a straight pipe exhaust system, so it's gonna be all straight through. And it's gonna sound so sick. I can't wait to hear the turbo flutter and the straight pipe noises and the screamer gate up in boost. This RB25, no doubt, is gonna sound insane, and I can't wait to have one of those RB25s that just sounds off their head. I miss driving this car so damn much. I hope I get my block back by Friday and start putting the head and the block and all that back together and finally have it all assembled. And then finally drop the motor back in this, get it all nice and dialed, start it up, and hopefully it goes all A-OK. And I can't wait to hit boost and go sideways in my R33 once again. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope this coilover install was helpful for the ones that don't know. So that now you know what's going on with my R33. Got the 6 boost manifold, waiting for my block. Can't wait to have this ready for keep it read. I still got a few more things to do. And also I forgot to mention that with the CKJ stickers, I haven't had time to find a website to use and put them online. I've been so bloody busy with getting this car ready for a track event, getting this sorted out, and all other things outside of car life, like mainly work and all that. It's very time consuming. So soon, hopefully I find time this week to find a website and put the CKJ stickers up and finally have them for sale, and I can't wait to see you guys rep them. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like it. Leave a comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Catch you guys later.